Hello traders, welcome to Keep Common Trade. I have taken a trade here. I just posted my order and you can see the order book and this is the position for now. Okay, so I'll just explain my entry and exit points once the trade is completed. Okay, so this looks a risky trade for me today, but anyway, I'll explain the trade, guys. Hello traders, welcome back. So the movement has started. You can see around 1000 rupees profit I was just now, and Nifty is retracing. Okay, I'll explain, guys. Hello traders, welcome back. You can see Bank Nifty started moving up around 1500 rupees profit. Okay, so I'm thinking to book the profit. Wait a minute. So Bank Nifty is retracing. This is a support line I have already drawn here. So this will act as a support. So it should go down. It should break and successfully close below this. Then only a downfall can be expected, or else there are chances that Bank Nifty will reverse from this point. Okay, I'll keep you updated, guys. Okay traders, this area seems to be like a support, so looks like I have placed my trade in a wrong place, and there is a breakout also here. As you can see here, this is a breakout, and there are chances that Bank Nifty might reverse from this place. Okay, and you can see as soon as it is touching this point, the horizontal line I have marked, Bank Nifty is coming hard every time. Okay, this is the resistance. Okay, so if it breaks this level, there is no point in waiting for the profits. Okay, so in that case I'll exit early. If it tries to break this level, I'll exit early, guys. Okay, I'll update you. Welcome back traders. Bank Nifty started falling again. Okay, this time we have to book the profit. I'll book around 1500. I'm just waiting for the right time. Okay, another 20 points, I'll book my profits. I'll update you, guys. Welcome back traders. Okay, so I have booked my profits. Okay, you can see, wait a minute. Hello traders, I have booked my profits and this is my order book, and let's get into the setup directly. Okay, so wait a second, I'll just remove unnecessary things. Okay, so what time I placed my order? 12:10. Okay, where is 12:10? Here. Okay, so what was the reason for my trade? Wait a minute, guys. I have some. Welcome back, traders. Okay, so in the morning I missed this opportunity of breakout. So what I was observing is, so this is a bearish head and shoulder pattern being formed, and the neckline was broken here. Okay, so you can see after breaking this neckline, you can see a swift move which happened. I could not catch this because of this. I mean, generally I trade with the retest, so it did not retest. Okay, so Bank Nifty is in continuous downtrend, so the chances of retesting is very less. But I'll not trade without retest. Okay, so I left this chance to go, but you can see a very good move happened here. So later what happened? Bank Nifty came near the day's low. Okay, I have marked this day's low. Here Bank Nifty started consolidating. Okay, so when did I enter? You can see 12:10. Okay, where is 12:10 here? So Bank Nifty started consolidating here. I was observing and I was waiting for this zone to be broken. Once it broke, it came for the retest again. Okay, retest of this supply zone. Okay, so what I did is I just entered at 12:10. So this is my order book, 12:10. I entered here, and Bank Nifty retraced and started falling. Okay, so and I have booked around 1970 rupees profit. Okay, so wait a minute, guys. Okay, so reason number one, Bank Nifty is in continuous downtrend, so it is breaking its previous day low every day. Okay, so this day and this day also, so that means Bank Nifty is making low highs. So Bank Nifty is in continuous downtrend, and that was the reason number one. And the reason number two is, after breaking the support, it came for the retest and I entered here. That is the reason number two. Okay, so these are the main two reasons, and I was very confident since the bank nifty is in downtrend, so the chances of hitting the target on short selling becomes very high. Okay, so that was the reason. And guys, this is my YouTube channel. So if you are liking, if you are learning anything from my video, okay, please go through all the videos. And this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 videos I have uploaded already. And none of the video, none of the day has gone with a loss, so I'm making continuous profits. Okay, so uh, profit and loss is part of a game, so I'm not saying like I'm making profit every day. There will be definitely a stop loss day for me. Any day I'll upload that video also. But please go through my videos. So if you are liking my videos or learning anything from my videos, please like, subscribe. Okay, thank you guys.